Hello, today we just got in the Critical Mass SS6 coaxial speakers. We're going to do the unboxing. Nice box. I love that it's made in the US. And let's see what we got. It's a really nice set of speakers. These sound unbelievable. Here's the back. It's got a nice little crossover for the highs for the tweeter. Nice build quality, looks solid. So there you go. There's the Critical Mass SS6 pair of coaxials. Very high power coaxial, made in the USA. Good quality. Definitely something you should check out if you're looking for a nice upgrade to your factory audio system on your vehicle. If it has a factory 6 or 6.5 inch hole for a speaker. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and God bless.